Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Metal Files is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your workshop, whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIY enthusiast. This video will delve into the world of metal files, exploring their various types, uses, and the key factors to consider when choosing the perfect file for your specific needs, ensuring you make an informed decision and get the most out of your metalworking projects. Number 5. 6-piece metal needle file set. This comprehensive set is perfect for all your detail work. It's built to last with high-quality materials and an ergonomic design. These files are made from hardened carbon steel for exceptional durability and long-lasting cutting performance. The fine-grained texture ensures a smooth, precise finish. The set includes 6 different file shapes: flat, warding, square, triangular, round, and half-round. This variety allows you to tackle any project with ease. The comfortable, rubberized handles provide a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue and increasing control. You'll work faster and more efficiently. The clear gear teeth pattern maximizes cutting efficiency. It's designed for repeated use and long-lasting performance. Use them on wood, metal, jewelry, and more. They're ideal for shaping, refining, and detailing small surfaces and tight areas. What we like. This 6-piece set has all the shapes you need for various tasks. Its comfortable grip ensures precision and control, reducing hand fatigue. If you need a versatile and durable set for detailed work, this is the one for you. What people say. The files have a nice little pouch that can hang on a pegboard. The handles are non-slip and bright yellow so they can easily be spotted on a messy work surface. The files feel sturdy and capable of doing the job but are small enough to work on tiny projects without breaking off any of the little pieces. These are handy tools to have around and have so many applications. The handles on them are nice and sturdy and helpful. Number 4. Hi-Spec 17-piece metal file kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for your next project. It's perfect for metal, wood, and plastic. It includes both full-size and needle files, giving you the precision you need for any job, big or small. These files are made from high-carbon steel, ensuring they'll last through countless uses. They're built to withstand tough jobs. The needle files are perfect for intricate work and hard-to-reach areas. You'll be able to tackle even the most detailed projects with ease. Keep it clean and efficient with the included brush. This will help maintain a smooth finish on your work. The sturdy zipper case keeps everything organized and protected. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a wide variety of files, perfect for any project. The high-quality T12 steel ensures long-lasting performance. If you value organization and a complete set of tools, this kit is your best choice. What people say. A quick search on Amazon will yield the fact that similar cases alone, with no hardware included, will cost in excess of $15. So, for just a few dollars more, you're getting a wide array of high-quality files that come in enough sizes to tackle most any job. This set had both. Seeing as buying each single file from Nicholson would have cost me $10 to $20, this was a better fit. You get a reinforced nylon case to store the files in so they won't get banged up or broken. Far superior to the cheap vinyl cases that come with most file sets. You get the 4 most commonly used files: bastard, half-round, round, and triangle. Number 3. 17 PCS file tool set. Let's take a look at this comprehensive file set, perfect for any workshop. It comes in a convenient carry case for easy storage and transport. These files are made from premium T12 drop-forged alloy steel. This ensures they're durable and built to last, providing a long lifespan for your projects. Notice the variety of shapes included. You'll find flat, triangle, half-round, and round files, along with 12 needle files to handle any detailing task. Each file is precision engineered for accuracy and efficiency. They're ideal for shaping, smoothing, and finishing various materials. And don't forget the cleaning brush. Keeping your files clean is essential for maintaining their performance and extending their life. The sturdy carry case keeps everything organized and protected. This makes it easy to transport your tools to any job site. What we like. This 17-piece set offers both large and small files for diverse applications. Made from premium T12 steel, it's built to last. If you need a durable and versatile set with convenient storage, this is a great option. What people say. This has exceeded my expectations. Nice heavy-duty files and nice heavy-duty storage bag, makes it easy to store, and being in the bag helps with organizing my garage. Use them right out of the box. Worked great for my project, which is light to medium use on wood, plastic and metal. Good quality of both tools and case. Number 2. WORKPRO W051003 half-round file. This versatile tool is perfect for shaping curves or creating straight edges on various materials. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. It features an ergonomic handle with an anti-slip grip, providing comfort and control during use. This makes it easy to work on even the most intricate details. Made from high-carbon hardened steel, it's built to withstand demanding tasks. It's perfect for deburring metal surfaces, even in hard-to-reach areas. The durable coated teeth prevent rust and provide a double cut on one side and a single cut on the other for versatile shaping. This ensures precise and efficient filing. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, it's suitable for various applications on wood, metal, and plastic. It can be used in both wet and dry conditions. Experience the precision and ease of use with this high-quality half-round file. Get yours today. What we like. This half-round file features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. The double and single cuts provide versatility for various shaping needs. If you prioritize comfort and control during filing, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This file has an easy grip handle which is effective when filing any type of metal, plastic. Great results. Its abrasive grip and files in just a few light strokes. I've used it to varying degrees on galvanized steel, stainless steel and aluminum. The file makes relatively quick work of all of the materials. It's nice. I did a huge steel cutting project and didn't cut perfectly even. I was able to file down a few feet of 1/16 steel, making the cut bigger. The file showed no signs of wear. Number 1. 6-inch flat metal file. This versatile file is perfect for various applications. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's made from high-carbon steel, making it incredibly strong and durable. This ensures it can handle tough jobs. The double-cut teeth design provides efficient shaping and smoothing. It's great for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Use it on metal, wood, plastic, and more. It's ideal for deburring, shaping, and smoothing various materials. Its fine-grained texture and double-cut teeth make it a great multipurpose tool. Get yours today. It measures 6 inches long, with a width of 0.6 inches and a thickness of 0.16 inches. It's a handy size for various tasks. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, we offer a full refund or replacement. Try it risk-free. What we like. This 6-inch flat file is perfect for larger projects. Its double-cut teeth ensure efficient material removal. If you need a robust and effective file for larger-scale shaping, this is an excellent option. What people say. It's easy to use, and small enough for hobby projects. I had a bedroom door that wouldn't catch on the latch. Using this small 1/2 round file, I removed enough from the striker plate in just minutes, so the door now securely catches. He gave this little file a big thumbs up because he believes the metal will hold up for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.